Hi guys, it's getting a little bit later on Sunday the 3rd of January and something came up. Somebody says, hey, take a look at, and always interesting in spin-offs or variants of ArcoLinux or ArcoLinux, right? So it's called Calam-Arch-Installer. ISO is probably the good one. Let's have a look and learn from them. We all learn from each other. So accept to download 15 reviews. And we have to wait for the countdown. Continue USA, continue USA. And it's going to download 1.8 gigabyte. While we wait, 1 hour left. And nothing is happening really. 1 hour left. Files. Arch-Installer from the... Okay. Let's see. Problems downloading. Yes, I have problems. From 100 meters, 200 kilometers from me. Amsterdam. Let's see if this is any faster. 1 hour left is not feasible. 3 minutes left, 4 minutes left, 5 minutes left. Okay, no. Going up. 9 minutes, 10 minutes. Well, 1 hour left. What do you know? Is there somewhere else we can download this thing? Problems downloading. Still have problems. Colonia. Yes. 10 points. Colonia. Cancel. 44 seconds left, 32 seconds left, 35 seconds left. That's more like it. All right, Super F7. Let's go get our... Do I? Don't I? I don't have my... I don't have my template ready. So bit.ly Arco get started. You can make something similar for yourself. This is from us beta testers and the core members, and you make something for yourself. Show in folder. Apply. This one needs to be extracted. Delete, and I just run the minimal start for Eric. That's it. That will give me a VirtualBox, a template tar GZ, so I can actually open up my VirtualBox. And let's be a little bit quicker. Extract it already. All right. So stop, delete, yeah, stop, and stop. And now I have a template. VirtualBox, template, template. Okay. Copy paste, clone. This thing is called. Don't tell me I've closed it. Don't tell me I have closed it. Oh my, yes, God. Downloads, can we do downloads? Show in folder. Was it already in? 1.8 gig, so yeah, probably. I don't know the name anymore, but in the downloads we can read. Let's call it CAI, right? CAI. Calam-Arch-Installer. Basically, that's what we are. With a twist, thank you very much. And then we open it up, optical drive, choose this file, Eric, download, find this one, that one. Off we go. All these stupid messages we get all the time. And a little bit bigger, Control F. Do not show this, switch again. What I've just been teaching online on the ArcoLinux YouTube channel is about editing the boot, right? So the grub line can be edited, and we could type in no mode set or other things behind it. So check out the article ArcoLinux.com if you're in need for that. Normally you don't need it, but hey, SHIT happens. Another message. So basically this looks very much ArcoLinux. Live user automatic login, okay. A cursor, the wallpaper, and so on. And then let's figure it out. What's this? Install ArcoLinux. Okay, click. Sticky keys, yes, I know. So this is your Calam-Arch. This interests me, of course, as a developer. It's the latest version you can possibly have from the guys and from Adrian de Groot. And American English is just fine with me. Next, Brussels, and then Belgium. Next, erase disk is cool, no swap. Already the swap to file, that's new. If you didn't know that, you know it now. And this is what interests me, right? So two things, that's why I'm actually opening this as well, to learn. This is actually the Horse 3180 folders, which is lovely, but not the blue ones. I will investigate the folder that normally is here, etc Calam-Arch, but you can launch Calam-Arch in two ways. You can also put the user, share, and Calam-Arch in here. Here it is. So here are the settings. I can have a look at the settings he's using and read all of that. I'll do that in my free time later. And I will also look at the QML, the Calam-Arch, the slideshow, and all the folders, the modules and all that. And the branding. This is the branding, that's why the logo is here. Stuff like that. Well, maybe not that logo, but stuff like that. Okay, now what I'm interested in is this image you see to the right points to a file which is normally called packages or something, packages or net install or something. Here it is, net install conf. That's a configuration, but where's the YAML? I need another file to have the YAML available. All right, so the next place to look at is user, Calam-Arch, modules, net install, here you are. No, not gonna be here. So that's gonna be my Sherlock Holmes thing. Where can I find the configuration to have this? Now we can see what happens here and open these things. This is by default in our system, all these things, not this one for example, but that one. So there are always differences. It's a choice. It's a big Lego box. And what you choose to install on your system, well, that's the pieces of the puzzle you want or don't want. Never heard about beep, right? So glances, we know glances, but it's somewhere else. It's in the utilities where we put it. So here it is base development, common packages. Everybody's gotta have it. It's all about choices. GeForce here, hybrid graphics, NVIDIA Prime, Radeon. This might help people having troubles with drivers. See, okay, they put these guys in front and the Intel drivers. Orca mouse tweaks. Never had any need for mouse tweaks, but who knows? Maybe you need it. And this is interesting, right? What packages do people use? What people like to have on their system? Elisa, we don't have that. GNU is definitely a fan of celluloid. Celluloid, is it in here? I don't even don't know what it is. And that's the fun in Linux. You always are learning. Always are learning. And that's why the project of ArcoLinux is there. Sorry guys, but basically it's not for you. It's for me. I want to learn. I want to learn till I die. Then the learning is stopped. But until I do, I want to learn as much as possible. Yep, definitely a fan of celluloid. I have to find it. Great, right? So this might give you ideas to say, you know what, I'm gonna build an ArcoLinux B ISO with that and that and that package like in the other disinstaller, and there you go. Because basically it's just pulling in packages that you like, put it on an ISO, burn it, and we got your system just for you, just the way you like it. That's the ArcoLinuxB.com website all over. Alright, yeah, I should probably install something. So base development is okay, get me just XFCE, it's cool. Next, the rest you know, the rest is just Calam-Arch. But password is shorter than, there we go again, these difficult passwords. Bug me anymore. Next, next, and off we go. Clearing mounts for partitioning operations on device SDA. 15 years old. I didn't know. Okay. What's that? No corporate backing. I don't know what it is. What does he mean by that? So, Calam-Arch, where are you? I want to know the YAML of this guy. So the options we got there. Wow, Eric, just read it. There it is. You gotta figure it online. Control C, and then graphics, internet, Firefox. Firefox, okay, there you are. Control V, boom. Immediately now we know also where everything is. At kicknos123. So this is the list. If you want to say, if you go to, let's make it easy for you guys. If you go to ArcoLinuxB.com and you want to build something, you want to build your own ISO. Build your own ISO on basis of this one, on basis of this one, on basis of this one. Well, let's say we want to build XFCE just like we've done now. You go to this thing, and you could clone it 4 little steps, and you've got your own ISO. But here it is. The only difference is this. What are you including on your ISO? That's our list. That's their list. So Control A, Control V, C and V and up. You've got it, right? It's basically a compare, maybe better. Melt is a better way to do it. But basically, if you want to have XFCE or Plasma, you can actually copy paste. I mean, if it's double, it's double. It will be installed twice. So what? It will take a few seconds longer, but it's gonna work. Still don't know what celluloid is. I want to know what celluloid is. Run program. Celluloid or something. What? Control T. Cell. Well, I guess we need to install it. About installing. Good question. About installing. Is this sudo apt get, or what is this? Sudo pacman minus syu. Alright. No. So I do not see any repos from the guys. This is just a repo from ArcoLinux. So it stays ArcoLinux. The look stays pretty much the same, which means we can have a look at the system. Where are you? Where are you? Here, settings manager. So what are we looking at? We are looking at Adwaita. Icons from ArcY Ubuntu. ArcY Ubuntu. Well, okay. I'm just laughing because there is also a Mint Y, another name. So why call it Ubuntu? Basically, I think it's coming from Mint, and before that it came from Horse 3180. So he made some great work. Everybody's using it. Great folders. So voila, that's it. Sans regular, mono sans, show images, Adwaita dark. Boom, chosen. How is your installation, my friend? Okay. Yeah. So these packages are now coming from the internet. Installing 206 packages. That's unfortunately me telling go get this particular URL. We've put our URL locally, so on the ISO. The difference is, of course, if you do not have internet, you have nothing, right? You really have nothing, not even a file in here. I wonder if he's gonna crash if it doesn't have the file or not. So suppose it's gonna be the same result. So that's a choice, whether you want it online or you want it on your ISO. And here it is online. So I'm installing XFCE and so much more. I'm just running something in Calam-Arch. I don't see that on our system. So every Calam-Arch is a little bit different. That's cool. Restart now, done. That's the fun with Calam-Arch, guys. If you're are part of the Carly project, Carly is making an ArcoLinux ISO from scratch, customized ArcoLinux ISO. That's the Carly project. There you can choose whatever you want to, and you're using the Arch ISO, and you choose the desktop and anything you like to have, and that's fine. So there we go. We have all these options. And like any ArcoLinux system, you just sudo pacman -syu again, typos, -syu. Of course, our aliases update and oh yeah, difficult password. Our aliases won't be there, or repo won't be there, so update and Apol and all that, scalp not present. There's actually nothing present but ArcoLinux, and I think that's the goal of the exercise, to give people an easy way to install ArcoLinux and nothing more. Well, a few icons, I must say, have been added, which is not normal. This is not the normal look for ArcoLinux, so it's not really it's very close. It's very close, right? So yeah, I must apologize. It is super close. This is it, but the wallpaper is different now. Not sure if that's the new XFCE, because we had just had an update of the XFCE, so maybe this is the new wallpaper, which I'm pretty sure I will be changing rapidly, since wallpapers always are the same and you get tired of them. Nah, do something else. And all the rest is just fun and play, right? It's just, again, figuring out, hey, what should I do? Am I on the internet? Yes, I'm internet. Can I install Vivaldi in this system? Because Firefox, is there a possibility to have Vivaldi? Sure. And can you play the Netflix? Oh, there we go. Can we play Netflix on this system? I suppose so. Why not? It's just a package from, yep, ArcoLinux. Sudo pacman -s Vivaldi. Quite fine. Ooh, That's for YouTube, so that we have. Wi-Fi is, I guess, not there. How about AOR stuff? Yay. Not found. Trizen. Not found. Okay. PAMAC is this little icon here. Your system is up to date. Anything else besides Trizen and PAMAC? I thought there was Power and other things. And that's, I think, an old one. We just have Trizen and Yay on our systems. So we don't have anything except, yeah, why not? I wonder if this is gonna work. Preferences. Let's see. Ooh, difficult password. AOR on. Alright. Let's see. We wanted to install the Wi-Fi. There you go. Build. Apply. There's no Yay, no Trizen. And he's going to build it. Anyhow, cool. You see, I learn every second. We're so used to type everything in. Now we just do sudo pacman -s because it's on our repo. It's there already. It's pre-built. So we can have Netflix now on Vivaldi with Wi-Fi. And so we keep on going and going. Actually, we can install Yay. Well, if I can, let's try it again. Yay -bin, please. There you go. That's another way how to install Yay bin. I've explained many tutorials on ArcoLinux probably.com when you're on ArcoLinux, how to get an AOR helper in. This is also a way to get it in. Super simple. So the same goes for Discover in Plasma. How flexible things are, right? It's super, super interesting. Like sudo pacman -s Spotify. Not found. Yay -s Spotify. And off we go. Number 1, please. Enter, import, yes. Importing keys with GPG. Always the same problems, always the same problems. This leads me to the next point. Browser, Vivaldi, of course, oops, again, Vivaldi, okay. I can't import my keys. It's always the same thing. So, ArcoLinux.info. We're all based on ArcoLinux. How many years? 15 years old? And come on, load up, continue. And we have here on our first page, I'm not sure if it's gonna stay there, but on our first page today, it says for ArcoLinux users, ArcoLinux Spices applications. Continue, continue. Install our ArcoLinux packages on any ArcoLinux based distro. And we see an image. Then we have a download button and a video to accompany everything. And I'm hoping everything is in there already. Nope, not yet. I guess we need to click here or go in there, then click. It's a bit lazy. Or I should go fix it. One of them. Ah, this is the button. 3,000 times downloaded. But you should do something now. You should click now. Alright, is it Vivaldi or is it me? Should I update the website? Should I update the website? Ah, there he is, finally. Save, just slow. So click, right mouse click, open in terminal, sudo pacman -u, ArcoLinux Spices. Ah, difficult password. Nah. And there we go. Away we are, and we have spices on our machine. Somewhere it's gonna be in here. Here, without icon, ArcoLinux spices. So this one, the key server problem, right? Key server problem. Let's do that again. The key server problem. Import failed. Fix key server connection. Click. Oh, difficult password. How many times will I say it in the video? Okay. Add and trust ArcoLinux keys. This means we're gonna get ArcoLinux stuff on here. Easy peasy. If I type the difficult password. What happened? Update. Update doesn't exist. Sudo pacman -s_yyuu. Alright, that's that. Now add ArcoLinux repos. Then we will see something when we update it. This was a bit too soon. Look at all these things happening. If it ends with these hashtags, you know it's finished. And off it goes. ArcoLinux repos have been added. And what do you know? There's a new PAMAC AOR coming from, yes, coming from us, ArcoLinux. So add ArcoLinux repos, add software used in Bash RC, if you want to use later on the Bash RC. Add software used in Bash RC, like for example, Reflector. Something like that. Mirror is used. Reflector is needed. Improve the make package configuration. That's if you have 8 kernels that you actually are using 8 kernels. Then you're not waiting for one kernel, just one kernel is normally used. Polkit is not necessary. This is a full-fledged system. But if you're on BSPWM or i3 or something similar, right? Sometimes you get stuck. And so we have this button for a Polkit agent. And then our update. Update. Command not found. How is it possible? Get the latest ArcoLinux Bash RC and replace the current one. Ooh, we should take a look at it. What is the backup? So update. Command not found. Source. Bash RC. That's from us. Update. Nah. Up all. Yes, baby. RIP. Everything working just fine. Out of the box. And that's it. I want you to open up your eyes and to broaden your look on the world of Linux. It's all one mumbo jumbo system that's great to live in. If you know what you're doing, if you understand that it's just about choices all the time. And that's great because it's this freedom that is attractive to Linux. That's it. It's this choice that everything you see, everything you touch can be changed and made your own. All right. Anything else I could have fun with? So, I don't know. It's just about changing panels, panel preferences. Put it on the bottom, for example. Things like that. Lock the panel. Put it there. Lock it again. The panel under there, we remove it. We install Plank. Control T. Sudo pacman -s Plank and the ArcoLinux Plank themes. There you go. Difficult password. Alright, another go. Time for a drink. Voila, we got Plank installed. I can't type here. I don't like that I can't type. What do? Panel, Add new items. Where's the whisker menu? There's the whisker menu. Add it to the system. It's in the wrong place. What are you doing there? Move to there. You are out. Yes, you're out. And then you're going to change the properties of the whisker menu. Background opacity a little bit, doing it like this. Show category, fine. But this one, for example, a icon and title. And instead of applications, you call it, I don't know, ArcoLinux or ArcoLinux or whatever, because it's all the same. One big bunch of applications put together. And now I can type plank, okay, plank. It's gonna be here, which is great. Preferences, put it at the top, bottom. Top is better. And we have all the colors we want to have. We have them all from ArcoLinux. We have this thing. It has been a while since I've seen this thing, like really long while, because everything is set. Everything is set. We don't need to think about these things anymore. Standard, everything is already okay. XFCE Windows or something. Ah, there it was. Settings manager is maybe easiest way to go to. And then a little bit bigger. Or was it again? Windows Manager tweaks, compositor, and then here, show shadows under dock windows. Boom. You see the shadow disappear? That's it. Knowledge. It's all about knowledge. Ctrl T, sudo pacman -s. Let's take the surfing icons rather than the Sardi icons. Oh, no. Another go. All right. There you go. How about the art theme? This is so much fun, right? It's so much fun. It really is. Art GTK theme. It's like playground. It's like a big fancy playground for me. And if you stay long enough with us, you'll see it will be a playground for you as well. It will become a playground. Remember the dark brown folders? Ctrl T, sudo pacman -s surfing something else. Surfing mint Y icons. Remember when I said Ubuntu? I said, Ubuntu? This is why. Well, actually, this appearance thing, you see it pop up here. I can't put it there. I think it was this look. No, not that one. It wasn't pink at all, Eric. It was something else. It was maybe this. It's all Arc. It's Horst 3180. He made a beautiful job, and he made so many colors, right? And they're all here. They're coming from Mint. Why? So Linux Mint again. Think out of the box. This is actually a nice blue as well. Doesn't really match the blue here, but that's just another way of saying, hey Eric, sudo pacman -s ArcoLinux Arc themes. Oh, password. Get themes with more colors. So the standard blue one, we've made them, I've changed them, and we need to reload it. And then we can have a look. Appearance. I don't know which one it is. That's gonna look a little bit more like this one. So this blue and that blue. Blood dark, aqua dark. Nope. Casablanca is also a nice one. Crimson dark, arc darker, nope. Emerald dark, green. Evopop maybe. No, Evopop is not that bad with it. It's not that bad. I think that's would be my choice, but let's just take a look at the others. Hibiscus, Mandy is dark, then Mant is dark, Niagara dark, whoa, too much for me, dark. There are 16 million colors to choose from, right? Which one do you choose? Ah, I thought he's not changing. Pink dark, Polo, you need to be blue. Nope, the other one's better. You can use contrast as well, why not? Red. Oh, maybe this one, nah. So I don't know which one it was. I'll look dark. I think I chose that one. Was it Evo dark? Anyway, guys, you get the drift. Choices. It is all about, again, choices. So the icons, this is one icon. I mean, blue icon, the brown icon, the yellow icon, gray icon, which is also very good for the eyes. Means my orange. Was it this color? I don't know. So many choices. All right. What else can we do? Let's take the blue one. Where are you? There you go. So we have our system. These things, you like it or you hate it. It's gonna be in desktop, in icons. Don't want home. Don't want file system. Don't want trash. Don't want removable devices. Gone. A clean desktop. Variety would be nice if we like to change our wallpapers. Oh my god. Bunch of stuff that comes in. Variety. It's now in here, bottom. Accept and continue. All settings change every 5 seconds, minutes, sorry. Seconds. And next. Okay, nice. Holiday again. And then we see this mouse there. I'm not particularly fond of the mouse. So you go to the icons. You wait. That's the best tip you can give you. People often say everything is crashing. The more icons you now have, the longer it's going to take. And then I take all icons. And then maybe you take something ArcoLinux or something. Let's see. Oh, there's a logo. Fine. Then we take this logo. And we have this ArcoLinux logo. And there's still more things to change. Like I've done. I've changed a lot of things in the whisker menu. And it's all... Where is it? In the properties, which is open, sorry. Lots of things. Show category names, no. Show application tooltips, no. Position category, no. Why not? Okay. And then you have a look and say, all right, what is that? Maybe you like this. Then it is like that. Show as list. Gonna look like this. Show as trees. Gonna look like this. Don't see any much difference, but it depends, of course, of choices always. Switch categories by hovering. I like that one. I like if you go like this, you can actually quickly see where is it, and hopla, done. Voila, voila, voila. Isn't it great? I think I'm done talking. This little icon about power. The thing is, we don't really need it. And today there is an, I think it's still a little bit of work. We got a new XFCE in, and that's one of the things that should fix the system tray icon. So just hide it away for now, till they make it, change it. Basically, I removed this thing. Somebody asked me today, hey, everything is gone, Eric. Well, how's it possible? Well, XFCE is new. So right mouse click, panel, add new item, and add it back. Whatever is gone, put it back. Here it is, the long list of all the things you can add. And I think it was the system tray icon that was gone. system load monitor. I guess it needs to be gone maybe before it's in here. Not sure. So it's away. Add new items. System tray plugin. Is that it? I don't know. Yep, that's it. And now we move it. Close. Would like to move it, my friends. No, I like to move you. I can't do that. And I have to go to properties. No, to panel preferences maybe. And then I can, no, still can't move it. Lock panel. Can't move the bugger. Come on. Quit. Quit. Just F1. It's so stupid. Don't think I have to be here at all. I want to move that little thing there. Anyway, if I look long enough, I'm probably gonna find it. Not anytime soon, I feel. So let's not make the video a little too long. How about an extra Control T variety? Where are you? Control T isn't working. Variety is working. It's back. Next. Hate it. Next. Okay. Next. Oh yeah. Holiday, holiday. Let me figure this out and pause the video. What did I do? What did I do? Oh, that's my own. This is my own, my personal system. Wait, so let me just figure this out. All right, it's a combo. Control Shift, right mouse click. Now I have status tray plugin, move. Oh, again, move, and now it will follow. You see? Click. So now we know Control Shift, right mouse click, Control Shift, right mouse click. Why aren't you doing it now? Anyway, it's solved. Okay. It's a little bit different, but it's okay. Oh, I have a great idea. I have a great idea. I have a super idea. Sudo Bachmann -S, and then ArcoLinux. Yeah, we get so much good info back from you guys. Loving the tweak tool, and I love it too. We have the tweak tool. What? Oh, difficult password? No. Let's get awesome. First one ever. So we have now 21 of them. That's a new one that will launch in the middle of January. But hey, it's there. Click, boom, it's installed. Let's count again the seconds. Install. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Installed. A complete desktop is installed. Awesome. Where's my button? Up here. Log out. XFCE. Awesome. Apply. Oh, difficult password. No. No. Yes. Don't want to see the message. Control T. Not working. This is working. So Control T is termites, which means I need to figure out a way to install sudo Bachmann. Oops. Sudo Bachmann -S termite. Now it's Sherlock Holmes. What Lego blocks are we missing that it's not yet on the system? This is just too much fun to stop. Okay, numlock key is on now. Giving away my password. Really? Okay. Nah. Okay, slower. That was painfully slow. Okay, what am I typing here? Control C. What is this? Capital letters. Okay. AZERTY, yes. Okay. Let's try again. What a waste of time. That's what a Sunday night is for, right? This is no longer fun. This is no longer fun. That's okay. When I type this, that's not working. The numlock lock is not working. Now this is working too. All right. What the hell? I'm gonna type my password, guys. This is my password, right? God damn. Something has happened to my passwords, I guess. Must be. This is strange. Log out. Don't tell me this is working in XFCE. Don't tell me. If this is accepted, it doesn't accept it. That's capital. Damn it, I'm gonna give up. I don't want to ruin this beautiful video because I have some password that I won't accept. The loser. Look at this, guys. It says up there, the account is locked due to 3 failed logins. 7 minutes left to unlock. That's why it's not working. There is some fail-safe mechanism in there. I will never install this in ArcoLinux, ever. This is so frustrating. Enfin, it has been a great experience. I hope you do notice the idea of flexibility. You can do anything with ArcoLinux based systems. It's all about playing around and really, guys, put the time in it. Put your time in it. Watch videos, learn, have an issue, look on the forums, look on the articles. Don't find the answer, ask us. Great Telegram community help you, and Discord. And if it's not there, we make an article and a video. Simple as that. And up you're rolling again. So enjoy ArcoLinux, enjoy the ArcoLinux. No, enjoy Linux. Cheers.